Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everybody. Let's continue our classes. Today we're going to continue. As I said, I'm going to teach you how to read and write in a very easy and simple way. In the last class, we learned 2 letters. I'll just review them now with you. Don't think about these ones, okay? Let's focus here. Ba, sha, ba, sha. And let's make 2 words out of them. Don't have any meaning, okay? Don't make any sense. So I have here basha, 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 basha. And if we invert them, so we will have sha, ba, shaba, shaba. Okay? I think it's really easy. So today let's learn more 2 letters. We have ba and ra. Ba, ba, ra. Let's talk a little bit about this one, ba. In English we have D, the letter D, and it's very cute and the light one, D. For example, let's make a word starts with letter D, so day. So day. So pay attention. It's very, as I said, it's very light and cute letter. Day. So let's substitute D with ba. So imagine, just imagination. It's a crazy thing that I'm saying. So it will sound day, day, day. So did you pay attention to the difference between ba and day? So day and day, day. So it is ba, ba, okay? Okay, let's write them down here. So, as I said, we have ba. So, in the beginning of the word, ba. In the middle, ba. In the end, ba. So it's the same letter but difference, and it's the same letter, okay, but here in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, in the end of the word. Sometimes in the end of the word is like this too. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, let's move to the second one, second letter. Ra. In the beginning of the word, ra. In the middle of the word, ra. Okay, so the same, ra, ra, ra. Okay, so let's make some words out of them. So we have now ba, sha, ba, ra. Okay, ba, sha, ba, ra. I'm sorry, I will write them one more time here for you just to pay attention. Ba, I'm sorry, I forgot the third one. Sha, ra, ba, ra, ba, rada, rada, ra, da, rada, ra, da, rada. Okay, rada. Let's invert. So if I invert them, so look, it became different. The same letter in the beginning looks like this. And let's add ra. Okay, I forgot here to put this mark. So da, ra, dara, da, ra, dara. Okay. Let's learn another word. Let's start with ra, ra, and let's put ba. Ba, raba, ra, ba, raba. Okay, let's invert. So this one is here and inverted this to be here. So I started with ba, take the ra, ra, ba, ra, bara, ba, ra, bara. Let's add one more word, the last one. Oh, it's like a lot of words here. Ra, and let's add sha. Sha, ra, sha, rasha, ra, sha, rasha. Let's invert. Sha, ra, sha, ra, shara, sha, ra, shara. Okay, let's read them one more time. So I have here ba, sha, ra, da, ra, da, rada, ra, da, rada. Invert them. Da, ra, dara, da, ra, dara. Another word. Ra, ba, ra, ba, raba, ra, ba, raba. Invert. Ba, ra, bara, ba, ra, bara. Let's make another one. Ra, sha, ra, sha, rasha. Invert them. Sha, ra, shara, sha, ra, shara. I think it's pretty easy. And now let's make one word out of these letters, but the surprise, this word makes sense. Okay, so let's start with da. Okay, da, ra, ba, da, ra, ba, da, ra, ba, da, ra, ba, daraba, daraba. One more time. Da, ra, da, ra, dara, dara, da, ra, dara, da, ra, dara, daraba, daraba, daraba. Daraba, it means hit, hit, but in the past, okay? Like to hit someone. So, daraba. Let's make some crazy words from 3 letters. So the first one will be da, sorry, here I have to add this, sha, ba, da, sha, ba, dashaba, dashaba. Okay, it sounds crazy, really. It sounds crazy because there is no any meaning to this word. Okay, da, sha, ba. Okay, let's make another crazy one. Let's start with this. Okay, let's get this one here in the beginning. She. Okay, and let's get this one here in the middle. Ba. And let's end with ba. So just we invert it. So it is sha ba ba, shadaba, shadaba. Okay, shadaba. Let's start with ba. I will finalize with these words. Ba. Sha. Ba. Ba, sha, ba. Bashaba. So we have ba, sha, ba, sha, ba, sha, ba, and ba, sha, ba. Okay? So guys, I've finished my class. I wish you like it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe in case you like the video. And if you have any question, I will be happy to receive your questions. See you later. Shukran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.